What if 5 AI tools could help you earn your first online income this year? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how creators and freelancers are using AI to build profitable side hustles with realistic, beginner-friendly steps. Stay with me until the end because I'll give you a simple 7-day plan to land your first paying client. Quick disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. Results depend on your skills, your time, and market demand. I'll share examples and ranges to guide you. Take them as possibilities, not promises. Let's start with tool number 1, an AI writing assistant. Think of it as your research partner and first draft machine. Use it to outline YouTube scripts, draft blog posts and product pages, write email sequences, even generate SEO briefs. Here's how people monetize it. Offer freelance writing packages that include a script, thumbnail, text, and description. Create SEO briefs for small businesses, or localize content between English and other languages like Norwegian or German. Your workflow is simple. Prompt for an outline and key talking points, set the tone and word count, ask for 3 title variations, then generate a meta description and 10 tags. Before you deliver, do a tightening pass. Remove fluff, keep the numbers and examples, and make the language punchy. Deliver in a clean Google Doc and export a PDF. Tool number 2, text-to-speech. Turn those scripts into natural voiceovers in minutes. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels, audiograms for coaches, or quick podcast intros. Want higher CPMs? Offer multilingual versions English plus Norwegian or German and reach premium markets. The process is easy. Paste your script, pick an expressive voice, add pauses and emphasis, then export a 48 kHz MP3 or WAV. Pro tip, keep the background music about 25 decibels below the voice so it never competes. Tool number 3, an AI video auto editor. Upload your voiceover and script and let the editor assemble a full video with stock B-roll, captions, and smooth transitions. This is how editors offer YouTube video in 24 hours, packages that include script, voiceover, edit, and thumbnail. You can also repurpose each long video into a 3-clip pack for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Let the AI suggest visuals, then replace 20 to 30% to match the brand. Add your lower thirds and section titles, and change visuals every 5 to 7 seconds to keep retention high. Tool number 4, image and video generation. Use it to fill gaps that stock footage can't cover, product mockups, diagrams, and futuristic B-roll. It's also great for thumbnails and hero images, or short motion loops for a SaaS landing page. Generate 3 to 5 concepts, choose the best one, upscale it, clean up artifacts, and add a subtle pan or zoom to create depth. Tool number 5, automation. This is where you scale. Connect your workflow end to end so repetitive steps run on autopilot. Offer done-for-you content systems for small businesses, 1 long video, 3 shorts, and 5 social posts every week. Build a simple form for the client's topic, target audience, and CTA. When a new entry arrives, trigger your outline, script, voiceover, and a draft edit. Then you review, polish, and export. Your KPI is simple. Keep production time under 60 minutes per video. So how much should you charge as a beginner? Here are starter prices in USD. Script only, $30 to $60. Voiceover, $25 to $50 for 5 to 7 minutes. A full 8 to 10 minute video, $120 to $250. Thumbnail, $15 to $30. Adjust for niche and complexity and offer a 10% discount for monthly bundles. Now, your 7-day action plan to win a first client. Day 1, pick a niche and list 5 channel ideas. Day 2, build a 60-second portfolio video so prospects can see your style. Day 3, create a reusable template, intro, lower thirds, end screen. Day 4, publish 1 long video and 2 shorts. Day 5, reach out to 20 prospects on YouTube, LinkedIn, and relevant forums and include your sample. Day 6, refine your offer and add bilingual subtitles, English plus Norwegian. Day 7, close your first client and deliver within 48 hours using your template. AI isn't just the future, it's a new tool set for creators and small businesses today. If you want more step-by-step systems like this, subscribe and hit the bell. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll help you build a plan that fits your goals.